Okay, so for our math lesson today, first of all, how are you doing?
Good.
Okay, are you having a good day today?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Do you have any questions before we get started?
No.
No? Okay, are you ready to learn some math?
Yeah.
Okay, so for today's lesson, we are going to use our number bonds. So you remember using number bonds before where we take two of our number bonds and we're going to show what we're using. Where we would take two of our number bonds here, add our two whole numbers here, and what would we do to them to get our answer up top? What would we do with these two numbers to get this answer?
We could add them.
We'd add them together. So today we're going to do a little bit of something different. And we are going to put one number in the bottom here, and I'm going to give you the answer up top, and then you have to figure out what's the missing number here. You think we could do that?
Yeah.
Okay. So we will, and we might do some hard, we might do some easy questions, and then we might start to get into some harder ones, okay? With maybe we're using numbers that have 2 digits. So they're like anything above 10. Do you think you could handle that? All right. Do you have any questions before we get started? Okay, so we are going to watch a video first about what we're going to be doing and finding the missing addend, okay? So let's go ahead and hit start on this video. And we will get started first, watching the video, and then we'll go into our lesson and do some together.
Okay.
Missing addends. Finding a missing part. What is a missing part? This is a part-whole model. The top shows the whole, or the total. The bottom shows the two parts that add together to make the whole. So in this problem, it shows that we have 4 plus something equals 10. Here's a word problem that matches. I got 10 balloons at the fair. 4 of the balloons were green. The rest were red. So how many were red? I'm going to draw 10 circles to represent the 10 that I know I have in all.
Good.
Now, I know that 4 were green, so I'm going to draw 4 green balloons. The rest were red, so I'm going to fill in the rest with red balloons. So do you know what the missing part is?
What do you think it is? Tell me. Say it louder.
6.
Good.
I can add to solve this problem. 4 green balloons plus 6 red balloons equals 10 balloons in all. Or I can subtract 10 balloons in all minus the 4 green balloons equals 6 red balloons. So the missing part was 6. Here's one you can try on your own.
Yeah, let's try another
My
one.
little sister got 3 pink balloons at the fair. Then she got some more yellow balloons. Now she has 5 balloons in all. How many are yellow? So what is the whole?
So let's see. Watch it here.
5. We know that there are 5 in all. And what part do we know? We know that 3 of the balloons are green. We need to figure out
So how many more do you think are yellow? Look at our number bond here.
Let's see. She has 5.
7?
Let's look. Let's watch.
So 3 plus something is 5. Or 5 minus 3 is 3. What is it?
What do you think it could be?
8.
3 plus something
Did you say
equals
2?
5.
If so, you're right. So let's review. If you have a problem where you know the whole, you know a part, and you need to figure out the missing part, you can add to find the answer by counting them. Or you can take the whole, subtract the part that you know, and you'll end up with the missing part. Great job! Keep practicing these problems and you'll be a missing part expert in no time.
Awesome. So that video not only showed you how to solve it with the number bond, but what other kind of equation did they make to solve it? They used a number bond for one, but then did they use, what other type of equation did they use? Did they use subtraction in that video?
Yeah.
So they kind of showed you how you can use subtraction to also find the same answer, right? Have you done that before? No, you haven't done that. Okay, so we're going to start with our number bond sheet, and we are going to use some cereal. Do you like some cereal? Do you like to eat Kix?
Yeah.
Okay, so at the end of the lesson, you will get to eat your Kix, but we can't eat them yet. We have to wait until the very end to eat them. Okay, so what I'm going to show you the first one. So let me change this down here so we can see. So I am going to do the first one, and I'm going to give you, remember, we're going to give you what the answer is, and I'm going to put some Kix in here, and you have to figure out what the missing number is in our number bond, okay? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Any questions before we get started?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to do one first, and I'm going to see if you can help me solve it. So we're going to move. I'm just going to grab a handful. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 Kix in the top. And I'm going to move 3 Kix over into this part of our number bond. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to solve for what this missing number might be. So what do you think the first thing we're going to do is? What could we do?
We're gonna count these and then figure out this number.
Okay, so how you show me your strategy on how you would start that.
So I know 5 is less than 8, so I would do 5 and then count up 3 more to 8.
Oh, that's awesome. So you know 5 is less than 8, so you would put a 5 here. But what if we didn't know? What if we only had 3? How would you know, how many would you add up to get to 6? So let's do Kix. Let's count the Kix and put them over here until you get to 8, because we have 3, and then we're going to start with what? 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8, right? So now, what is this?
5
Plus
3 equals 8.
5 plus 3 equals 8. Good. You think you could tackle some of those on your own?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me clear my board. Let me clear my board. And I'm going to put that many in the top. And I'm going to put that many in the bottom. So you go ahead and try to solve it. I'm going to let you do it on your own and see how well you do. And you can talk me through it, okay?
So we're going to put 6 more in this box.
Okay, so wait. Okay, keep going. Okay, so now tell me what you have.
I have 2 plus 6 equals 6. But I did it too much.
Okay, so what should you do?
Take subtract. So I should
So let's start over. So we know we have how many here?
2.
So how many more do we need to add to get to, what's this number?
6.
Okay, so how many more do we need to add in here to get to 6?
I think 4, right?
Okay, so put 4 in there. That's okay. I got it. So now let's try it.
2 plus 4 equals 6.
So is that better?
Yeah.
Yeah, now we got it, right? Okay, let's do one more number bond. Ooh, can I try and trick you? No, were you going to say no? Let's try to do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. You think you could do that?
Yeah.
I don't know if we have enough Kix. Let's take one back. Let's see. Okay, I think we could do that. What if we did, look at, so let's count. How many do we have here? You count them.
11?
11, good. Okay, so then what did I give you here?
6.
Okay, so 6 plus what would equal 11? And you can use your fingers if you need to. Good. How many did you put over there?
5.
Okay, so what did you say? 6?
6 plus 5 equals 11.
You think you got it right? You have 6 and 5 here, and that equals 11?
Yeah.
Okay, you did awesome, buddy. All right, well, good job today. So did you like doing it, math? A little bit different from our normal number bond strategy that we do?
Yeah.
Normally, we have our 2 numbers down here, and we decided to take a number here, unknown, and try to figure out what that one is.
Yeah.
Okay, you did a great job. I'm super proud of you.